I was just performing my duty. I didn't know I was being watched. I thank God, like it's been recognized, and I feel like putting in my best more and more. A copy of the letter was delivered to my office for my information. So when I read through it, I was wondering, maybe could this be true? I read through the letter and I saw that they said they wanted a situation where they can name and shame those that are not doing well, and then encourage the people that are doing well within the Nigeria Police Force. And I felt so great.
I mean, have people offered you money thinking you were asking for a bribe?
Absolutely. And even today, the person offered to give me some money. And I said, no. Why would you do that? I'm just doing my work. He was surprised.
Were you not
tempted?
Very
surprised. Of course. There's no way one would not once in a while be tempted, but you just want to do what is right.
So what about your colleagues? Because there clearly are some Nigerian police officers that are taking bribes. Do you know of any yourself? Have you had conversations with them and said, look, you don't need to take them. Why are you taking bribes to go about your duty?
Of course, there are bad eggs everywhere in every profession you can find, but there are quite a large number of people that are actually doing well within the Nigerian police force. And I know in my little space where I work here, I've seen people who are going the wrong way. We've talked to them. I told them, you don't have to do this. And God will find a way to, bless you when you are doing what is right.